students, hope you all are fit and fine. We have completed up to chapter number 5. Today I am going to explain you the summary of chapter number 6, that is Expert Detectives, and it is written by Sharda Dwivedi. Here the story has a half dozen characters in it. Here in this story there are half dozen means 6 characters are there. Siddharth and his sister Maya. They become expert detectives. They become detectives. Their mother is a doctor with her clinic and their mother is a doctor. Mr. Nath, the principal character and who lives in Shankar house alone, is under her treatment. And here Mr. Nath is the main character and he is taking treatment of their mother, and he is living alone in Shankar's house. Ramesh takes tea and meals from the restaurant to Nath's room. And one character, Ramesh, he daily brings tea, right, and meals from the restaurant to Nath's room, Mr. Nath's room, and Mr. Nath pays cash and also tips to the bearer well. And when Ramesh brings tea and meals for Mr. Nath pays in cash and even he give good tip to Ramesh. Next is, the children go ahead to collect information about Nath. They think Mr. Nath is a mysterious person. He has no friend there. Nishad has a bit of sympathy for Nath. His approach in this case is sensible. And these children now, they become the detectives. They started to collect information about Mr. Nath and what they think about Mr. Nath, that Mr. Nath is a strange person because he has no friend. And Nishad has little bit sympathy for Mr. Nath and his approach, right, in these cases is sensible. The narrator is sure that Mr. Nath is an escaped crook or criminal. And what narrator thought about Mr. Nath, that he is a escaped crook or criminal, right? भागा criminal है, right? जुर्म करते हैं वो. Nishad is doubtful. He wants to discover the truth, but Nishad is doubtful, right? And he wants to discover the truth. Either Mr. Nath is a crook or criminal or not. And he collects a lot of information in the case. And Nishad collected lots of information of Mr. Nath. The narrator has got ready answer to Nishad's doubt. And every time narrator give some answer to Nishad's doubt. He thinks that Nath is a rich man. He has perhaps got millions of rupees locked in some trunks in his room. And what narrator says that he says that Mr. Nath is a rich man, right? And he has millions of rupees that he has locked in the trunks. He notes dark scars on also on Nath's face. Nath might have got them during the shootout with the police, and Mr. Nath has dark scars on his face. So what the narrator thinks that Mr. Nath got these scars at the time of shoot by the police. But Nishad contrary had told him that they were burn scars, and at that time Nishad argued with narrator that our mother has said that the scars are of burns. One day, Seven goes alone to his mama's clinic at Girgaon. He gets upset to see Mr. Nath, who looks so thin, poor and starving. And one day Nishad went to his mother's clinic and there he saw Mr. Nath and he was looking very thin and poor and starving. Right? He goes to Nath's room and puts a bar of chocolate in the man's hand. And then Nishad went to Mr. Nath's room and he had kept one bar of chocolate. He collects one more clue about Mr. Nath's routine. Ramesh told him that on every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same visitor is with him each time. Now Nishad got some more clues about Mr. Nath's routine, right? And all that told by Ramesh. What Ramesh told, that every Sunday one visitor comes to Mr. Nath's house and every Sunday Ramesh brings 2 lunches, right? And the same person is coming every Sunday. The tall, fair, stout visitor talks a lot, whereas Mr. Nath simply listens. And what Ramesh told about that visitor is very tall and stout, and he talks a lot. But Mr. Nath simply listens to him. But he cannot imagine that Nath is a crook. But what Nishad thought, that he cannot imagine that Mr. Nath is a crook. The narrator makes a long list of all the information they have collected about their target to Nishad. And narrator had made a long list of information, right, they have collected about Mr. Nath, and he reads to Nishad. First one, they don't know what Mr. Nath's first name. They must discover it. And they don't know what is Mr. Nath's first name. Right? They want to discover what is his name. Right? Second, when the other tenants at Shankar house say that Nath is mad and strange and unfriendly. And what other tenants who are living in Shankar's house told about Mr. Nath, that Mr. Nath is mad, strange and unfriendly. And third one, he doesn't talk to anyone. Mr. Nath doesn't talk to anyone. Fourth one, he is under Mamma's medical treatment, so has to be polite to the children. As Mr. Nath is under their mother's medical treatment, so he is polite to these children. Next is, he receives no letters. He never received any letter. He has been living in room 10 for more than a year. He doesn't work to earn his livelihood. And at Sankar's house, that is room number 10, he is living from 1 year, and even he doesn't do any work to earn for livelihood. He has no visitors. Only Sunday a fair white man comes to him for lunch, and no one visit at his place except one person, fair and tall, visits every Sunday and take lunch with him. Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant distributors, and food and tea are taken by Ramesh from the restaurant. Nishad doesn't pay much attention to the narrator's list of facts. He only pities that the poor man is without any friend. And Nishad, he doesn't pay any attention to the list made by the narrator, and he has pity on Mr. Nath that he is without any friend. The narrator argues that the Sunday visitor must be Nath's partner in crime and comes on Sunday to give a part of ill-gotten money to Mr. Nath. And what narrator argues? He argues that Sunday, the visitor who is coming to Mr. Nath is Mr. Nath's partner in crime, and every Sunday he comes to give ill-gotten money to Mr. Nath. As for Ramesh, Mr. Nath bribes him to keep quiet about his criminal activities. And as for Ramesh, Mr. Nath gives him money, so Ramesh will remain quiet about his criminal activities. Nishad doesn't quite agree with the narrator, and Nishad is not agree with the narrator. He says he will not cooperate in their investigation if they did not stop calling Mr. Nath an escaped criminal. And what Nishad said, that he will not cooperate in this investigation. Up to that, they will not stop Mr. Nath. They will not stop calling Mr. Nath a criminal. In his opinion, the purpose of their inquiry is to find out why Mr. Nath is so thin and lonely. According to Nishad's opinion, the purpose of the inquiry is to find out why Mr. Nath is so thin and lonely. He declares that he likes Mr. Nath and he will try to be friend with him. And what Nishad declared, that he liked Mr. Nath and he will try to be friendly with him. The narrator laughs at the madness of Nishad. He warns him that the police would take him also to jail along with his friend. Nishad walks out of the room quietly, and the narrator started laughing. And what he wants Nishad that police would take him along with along with his friend Mr. Nag to the jail, and Nishad walks out of the room quietly. Thank you, students.
आभार।